Hello and welcome to another video in .NET series. So in this video we are trying to install Visual Studio Code. So let's go to the Visual Studio website, and here I'm going to download this. So now the file has been downloaded. So I'll open this zip. Now I have done this. So now Visual Studio Code is open. So one thing we have to do is we have to copy this to applications folder. Now we have Visual Studio Code installed. I also use Visual Studio Insider, which is also pretty good. Let's use the Visual Studio Code that we have installed. So Visual Studio Code is installed. So one thing we have to do is Visual Studio Code is open source, and there are a lot of extensions written. So we'll install this Microsoft extension which will help. So it has a lot of features like syntax highlighting, semantic highlighting, and several others. It has also IntelliSense, so which gives you like suggestion based on particular context in the code. So I already have this project built in .NET. So if you see, now I have this project. See, now I can run this project also. That will be for another video. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.